Vegan Virat Kohli includes eggs in his diet, but netizens are trolling him for the same. Why is that? I will tell you. Uske baad dekhenge, will there be a 50% capacity in the UAE for the second leg of the IPL? Stay tuned to find out all those details. Aur sabse ant mein we're going to find out who is that cricketer who is a part of the Australian World Cup squad in 2015 has now become a carpenter. All of this and much more only in today's episode of News Tracker. Hello everybody, my name is Nivedna Prabhu. I hope you are doing well and keeping safe. Before I begin this video, if you haven't liked, shared and subscribed to Cricket Tracker as yet, do not wait for anything, hit that button quickly, and without wasting time, let's begin this video to find out what's making news in the world of cricket. Despite his very hectic schedule, Indian skipper Virat Kohli definitely, whenever he gets a chance to interact with his fans, even if it's virtually, he has done that. And very recently, he of course had that Ask Me Anything session on Instagram, where a lot of his fans asked him different questions from, about his daughter Vamika to what he was currently doing. And of course, a fan also asked him about his diet. Now, Virat was very happy to share what his diet really consists of. He said it had a lot of vegetables, a lot of spinach, dosa stew, and he said coffee as well as eggs, but everything in moderation. But one thing that caught the attention of a lot of netizens was the fact that he said eggs. Now, if you're wondering why, then let's look at some of the posts that netizens were sharing. Now, this is because of the fact that, at the end of the day, Virat had said a few years ago he had turned vegan, and fans were baffled as to how he could consume eggs, because obviously if you have turned vegan, then eggs should not technically be a part of your diet. And Kohli had said that he had switched to becoming a vegan because of health issues. So which is what everybody is trying to really decipher right now as to what really happened there and how is he consuming eggs if he actually became a vegan. If someone has an answer to that, let me know in the comment section below. Well, the venue has been finalized, fans are ready, teams will get prepared. Sabki taiyari aur sabki predictions to ho hi rahi hai about the 14th season of the IPL. बस dates की बारी थी, and if all goes well and as per reports, the 14th season of the IPL is going to resume between September 19 to October 10th. That's right, these are the dates that the BCCI is going to be finalizing on. And most interestingly is of course the fact that one thing that fans have been missing because of the pandemic, of course, is to have that in the stadium kind of experience. Now it is apparently happening that the BCCI and the Emirates Cricket Board are in talks about this particular thing, where they will be having probably fans inside the stadium. Of course, only if the local government of the UAE decide not to have it, then it will be a different thing altogether. But a UAE board official has given his statement about this. What is the official said? I will tell you. Now, the UAE board official said the vaccinated fans can be allowed up to 50% of the stadium capacity, of course. And on the other hand, the top brass of the BCCI has left for Dubai to finalize the required arrangements with the UAE government and the ECB. Now, that of course is fantastic news. Now, if you are in the UAE and if you're even vaccinated, which is a fantastic thing, tell me in the comment section below, are you going to go to the stadium to be watching those matches? And for the ones who are not in the UAE, it is okay. IPL to resume hone wala hai. So share your excitement with me and tell me what are you most looking forward to in the comment section below. Xavier Doherty, the former Australian cricketer, has now become a carpenter, trying to meet his daily requirements and also enjoy his retired life after cricket, of course. Now, Xavier was a part of the 2015 World Cup squad where Australia won under the captaincy of Michael Clarke. Now, how do we all know this? Well, the Australian Cricket Association shared a video on social media where he was, of course, practicing carpentry, and Xavier also spoke about, how he's enjoying this new experience. What did Xavier say? I will tell you. Now, Xavier said, right now, I'm the 3/4 of the way through a carpentry program, just being outdoors, working with my hands, learning new things, something completely different to cricket. When I finished cricket, I didn't know exactly what I was going to do. I did some landscaping, office work, cricket work, and then found myself here. Well, looks like Xavier is super happy and he's found himself, a new profession or probably something new to try, and that's of course quite exciting. Well, that's all I have for you in this edition of the News Tracker. If you like the video, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up, follow all our social media channels, and like I always tell you, do not forget to subscribe to Cricket Tracker if you haven't done so that every time we're back with the latest news in the world of cricket, you are notified immediately. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. I'll be seeing you very soon, and until I see you next time, do not forget to stay safe and take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.